Hello everyone, this is Granddad Young. In this video, we are going to talk about a letter of the English alphabet. We are going to talk about the letter M. Capital M, little m. What words begin with M? Mushroom. M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M. The word mushroom begins with the letter M. They come in all shapes and sizes. Mushrooms grow in damp places. What kind of damp places? Oh, in caves, or by ponds, or on the shady forest floor. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. The word mouse also begins with the letter M. Some mice are kept as pets. Our pet mouse is called Marvin. A mouse scurried onto a mushroom. Moon. M-O-O-N. This glowing orb does not produce its own light. Then why is it so bright? The moon reflects the sun's light. What sound does the letter M represent? Can you say Very good. M, the 13th letter of the English alphabet. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you.